All right, good morning. Sorry you couldn't be there today, but this is your assignment while I am out for first period algebra class. Here are the things you are to do today. Number one, finish the gauntlet. Your sub has the key that you can check with them. Also, make sure it's the same rule. Make sure you're right. If you are not correct, what you are to do, you are to go back, correct it, show your work, and write an explanation of what you did wrong. I will look at that, so make sure you do it. After you finish the gauntlet, the next thing you are to do, and this is individual today, you are to create a comic strip. You need to use color. It answers each EQ under the algebra essential question. In other words, how do you engage and express knowledge of functions? That's the big unit question. Here's where I want you to be specific in what we've been talking about. What are ways to identify whether a relation is a function? How do I know if it's a function? How do I use the mapping diagrams, the tables, graphs? How do I know if it's a function or not? The domain and range. Focus on the domain and range. What are the process in writing a rule to describe a nonlinear function? Well, what's the difference between a linear function and nonlinear function? Uh, be specific. And also, be creative. I want you to put some humor into it. I want you to put art into it. I want you to do your best. Um, Use specific examples of each skill in this comic strip. So this is tough. This is going to make you think, but I do want it to take you a while. I want you to take your time. Again, if you are done in 10 to 15 minutes, guys, you have not put a lot of thought into this. I have high expectations because I'm giving you a lot of time to work on it. Once you finish the comic strip, if you happen to finish it, you are to finish the vocabulary phrasers that are due tomorrow. Let me show you a couple of examples, like a way on the comic strip. I'm going to go back and how you can divide it up. As you look at this, what I have done is I have kind of folded it. I've just taken my paper, folded it over twice, folded it over a third time, and then I have folded it over just like that. Again, let me slow down just a little bit. And if I do that, I have 8 frames that I can work with. Again, don't draw so small that I can't see if you choose to do this one. Another option you may have that you can do. Just take and simply take the piece of paper, fold it in half, and work on this one. And again, you can use both screens, and if you need a couple sheets of paper, guys, don't use any more than 2 sheets of paper each, but you can actually glue the second pages onto it, and that'll be fine. So that is how you can do a couple of the comics, or you can use one full page for one picture where there's conversation going on, or however you want to do it. I just want to make sure that we are taking our time and doing what we are supposed to do. So that is your assignment for the day. I do have high expectations, and I will see you tomorrow.